Toyota company organized a such event. They decided to check durability of their car, famous Toyota Hilux. So it got put underwater, it got burned. Now they threw some minivan on it, and you see it's still moving after this crash. After that, they burned the car. Personally, I feel sorry for this car. Okay, next challenge. They're going to destroy the whole building with the car on top. Let's see what's happened to the car. I think it's not possible to survive. So they dig in this excavator. Okay, they found car. It's not possible that it will start. But actually engine is still working. Surprisingly. And not only working, car can move. Incredible.